I'm Rick Corey. If you'd like more information about the car you just clicked on at the end of the video, call my friends at Ferguson. Remember, no one beats a Ferguson deal.
Ferguson Superstore.
The 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, CD changer, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, tow hitch, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, floor mats, auto-dimming rear-view mirror. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.